Okay, now you're looking at me like your mate. You're using Asna to play with me. Me, Asna. More Asna.
Isaac, have you washed the plate I asked you to wash?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're busy playing game, right? Have you seen the food I'm trying to prepare, right? You will not test out of it. You will not. Since you want to be wicked to yourself and not me.
Yes, Felicia. See, you can beat me, you can curse me, you can take me to anywhere. Food! And I don't joke with food.
I don't blame you. I don't even have your time. Continue playing. Is that food? Is that game that you eat? You eat that.
What are you? What do you do? Why do you say no dey wash plates? Grown up man like you say you know what they wash plate. You no get sense. Look at how fresh, sweet, soft your sister lap looks.
Oh, you know the wash plate? Waiting plate gets to do with my sister fresh
Just be
lap.
admire and when you see good things of life you
Don't admire, don't talk.
Alright.
Leave my sister alone. I'll leave it out of this. You have been hitting my money since I did not talk. You are talking about this.
Isaac! So you really mean that say you don't wash those plates, have you?
I did not wash it.
You did not wash it?
Yes.
No problem. Come and play the game now. Continue playing. You think you are wicked, have you?
This very expensive. Oh.
Very expensive. I know it's expensive. That was the reason why I had to carry it.
You carry my PS5 and you still carry your iPhone.
What did you do? Lazy born, like you have to shame of yourself. Your mates are outside hustling. You are here playing game with your stupid friend. Idiots.
Am I not ashamed? I'm ashamed of myself now.
You know like this feel like prank. Go. She really off the game. Me idiot, Larry. Idiot.
You idiot.
Wait, oh. What gave your sister the effrontery? The audacity, the enthusiasm monopoly in absolute lehi who are to off this game. Well,
Don't shut up.
it's normal, it's normal. I want to go, so give me my money or I don't chop you.
Which one?
The gamble will play, those are me believe me. So give me my money.
Did they end the match? Was it ref that ended the match?
It was not ref, it was your sister. They say blood is thicker than water. So she's your blood. So give me my money.
So because you are winning 5-0, 80 minutes, I should pay you the money.
Why you don't pay me?
Why would I pay you?
Why you not pay me?
Because you're not finished.
Why?
Have you not seen it in football? 80 minutes to 90 minutes, they will equalize 6-0.
This is not for this game! And this is my money we're talking about!
That is why it is more possible.
Jesus.
Very possible that I throw the game.
I swear, Isaac, you don't give me money, I will beat you. If I finish beating you, I'll beat your sister. Look at ask of me, everybody know me saying I'm male and I grow. Understand? That's the better side.
Yeah.
How are you really correct? I'm buffing. Hey, Isaac, my lord, you have to give me my money. Isaac, before I open my eyes and close my eyes, give me my money before I descend on you. If I don't descend on you right now, I will descend on your sister. Isaac, give me my money! Isaac, give me my money! Isaac, give me my money!
Okay.
Give me my money!
Okay.
Ask of me!
Yes,
Mine not correct oh. I let my phone, I let my sister know how they play oh. You dey whine me, I be worry about you.
This is my house. It's okay.
And that body is like, maybe it belongs to me.
Who belongs to me does not belong to me.
Yeah, try something.
How much am I owing?
600. You won't call your bank.
Hello, security. See, I allowed one guy into our house now. This boy started constituting this house. This boy stabbed my sister. He stabbed my sister. He stabbed my sister. Come, security. He stabbed my sister. This boy stabbed my sister. Come now. I mistakenly allowed him. Oh, I allowed him. Oh.
When now?
Okay, come, security.
Bro, don't like me. God forbid. I mean, they don't let me stab your sister. When now? Me?
Thanks for watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy. Please click on the subscribe button. It's very, very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us and everything. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.